When it comes to securely storing cryptocurrency offline, Ellipal wallets are among the most trusted cold storage solutions. Designed with air-gap technology, Ellipal wallets ensure that private keys never touch the internet, significantly reducing the risk of hacking. These devices are built to withstand malware, phishing attacks, and even physical tampering, making them ideal for long-term crypto storage. The Ellipal Titan stands out as the flagship model, offering a combination of security, usability, and robust design. It features a fully metal body that is resistant to water, dust, and tampering. Transactions are signed entirely offline, with QR codes used to communicate between the wallet and your smartphone. This eliminates any exposure to network vulnerabilities, giving users complete peace of mind. The device supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and many ERC20 tokens, providing versatility for diverse portfolios. For those seeking affordability without sacrificing security, the Ellipal 2.0 is an excellent choice. It maintains the air-gap principle while being slightly smaller and more portable. It offers similar protections against malware and phishing, with seamless integration to the Ellipal mobile app for easy management of assets. Users can set up multiple wallets and accounts, creating a secure and organized cold storage system. Both wallets come with robust encryption and require a secure PIN and recovery phrase, ensuring that even if the device is lost, funds remain protected. The Ellipal ecosystem also receives regular firmware updates, addressing security improvements and adding support for new coins. Investing in an Ellipal wallet is investing in peace of mind. For users serious about cold storage, these devices offer a balance of security, reliability, and user-friendly operation. With prices ranging from around $99 for the Ellipal 2.0 to $169 for the Titan, they are accessible options for any serious crypto holder looking to safeguard their assets against digital threats.